Here I am in Mar Chiquita. We're trying to walk to the beach. The beach connection got washed away. This wasn't here before. And of course the house was in okay condition. Ceiling collapsed in. And we saw a big iguana on the way over here. This is one of our favorite beaches. We were looking at a house for sale right near here. There's the beach house.
We could go around there. Look, you see there? We can go on the corner. Yeah. If we go like that.
Oh, look, there's people over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, there's people over there too.
Yeah, that's the beaches right there. That's Puerto on the left. Yeah, remember?
Awesome. We should do it.
But I think we can walk around. Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna try to walk around that way.
Yeah, there's ground.